So, to help you grow. Oh. Oh. A bird in the hand is indeed worth two in the bush. You shouldn't risk losing something you've already had by trying to get something you think might be better. I guess you don't want to be like me and end up with nothing, do you?
There was once a shepherd who lived in an oasis in a desert. He owned a herd of sheep and lived a carefree life.
Wow!
One day, he saw a mirage in the distance.
Oh!
He was ready to set off.
Let's go!
Hey, Mr. Shepherd, your life is already perfect. Why do you want to leave it behind?
I'm certain a better life awaits me there. I must go! Let's go! It's hot. Whew. Oh. Oh. Get up! No water. Oh. Let's go home. Oh no! Where are my sheep? Oh.
No matter how great something far away may seem, it is not as real as what you've already had. Cherish what you have now, or you will lose more than you gain.